Hello, YouTube. I am Eli the Fatigued. We're back with more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead, live over on Twitch. So if you haven't figured it out already, I stream all my content over on Twitch, and then post the videos on YouTube. If you ever want to check me out live, just go to twitch.tv/Eli the Fatigued. So, last episode. It was a bit of a rough one. We finally decided to try mutations for this character. It did not go well at all. I'm not happy with how it went, honestly. S'mores. Can I make more s'mores? Yeah, make more s'mores. Junk food, and all those chocolate bars and graham crackers and marshmallows I've been picking up. Now you see why I've been picking them up. Hmm. S'mores. Fresh, hot, delicious. Oh, I could go for a s'more right now. Let's sleep for like 4 more hours. Underwent a lot of mutations. And, yeah. We're addicted now. There are too many all at once, that's for sure. Kicked the habit already? Yeah, nice. Looks like I've already kicked the habit. Sweet. Happy with that. Alright. Hungry. I'll keep the s'mores on my bed. My special snack. I think they never go bad. Oh, 2 weeks. Yeah, fair enough. Find some more like almonds and pistachios. Other tree nuts. They could be frozen. Candy cattle? Okay. Bunch of candy. Be high on sugar now. Yeah, probably read a bit. Happy with it. A lot of these super simple ones out of the way. Zero to ones take no time at all. So let's get those done. Just there's not so much stuff cluttering up the screen. Athletics. Wait, what? When did we add athletics? What? Swim. Oh! Okay, so they're probably going to eventually turn it into like a running and swimming thing. That's cool. I'm okay with that. I think that would be genius. Yeah, I like that. I like that idea. Yeah, the ones where we're like almost to the next level as well. Looks like get us to level 1 of a skill. Oops. 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 I'm not looking at my keyboard, though I probably should be. Don't plan on doing NPC stuff, but it's a quick read. Alright, survival to 4. Definitely need that. Healthcare to 3, that would be good. Especially with hollow bones and all. Yikes, that's gonna be brutal. Science to 6. Let's knock that one out real quick. Fab 6. Yeah, let's do that one real quick because that's got a +1 to morale while reading. And eat something, except it's frozen. Let's eat something real quick then. Don't have much flour ever since they made that change. Flour. Don't have anything. Red flour. Interesting. Can we do sourdough? There we go. That's more like it. Oh, 4 glass jars. Okay, I'll be able to look out for that. I love making sourdough bread in this game because sourdough bread in real life is glorious. Okay, let's make some actual. Forgot to light the fire. Oh well. It'd be nice if it gave the option to light the fire. I know that's a lot of coding, but still. Up the water, I'm pretty full. Let's see. Pot. Wait, didn't I have a copper pot? Weird. Oh well. Canning pot. Water. Heat up the watermelon. Lots of quench. Just the quenchiest. Oh, it just stayed on the floor. Fair enough. Okay. Like it's okay now. So we can go back to reading. Applied science to 7. Yeah, let's hit that one out. Especially if we're gonna do more mutagens. Especially if we're gonna do bird mutagen. Eventually, hopefully, serum. That'd be nice. There we go. I figured that was the. There we go, bird mutagen. Okay, so that's the only thing stopping that is... Okay, I just need to make some mutagen. Scroll it down. Oh, I changed it. There we go. Okay, cool. So we need more block cloth. Fair enough. So we can't do mutagens for now. That's fine. Let's close that and turn on the atomic headlamp. And continue to mechanics 8. Yes. Heat it up enough. Yeah. Now. Some of it. Quesadilla. Make tortillas. One tortillas. Nice cornmeal. That's 2 weeks. Okay. Oh, I'm missing Texas to get good Tex-Mex and Mexican. Oh, it's. I just want a big burrito. I want a big burrito. Oh, not too late to DoorDash something, but I really should save my money. Get the cheese that'll go bad out of here first. Yes. Yeah. Stuff right there. Oh yeah, and the cake. Oh, I love cake. Oh, that cake. Wow, I can eat a lot of cake. I'm a very fat man. Well, I guess I am overweight. Both in game and real life. Ha! Oh gosh, I am horrible. Okay. Okay. What next? Yeah, outdoor survival guide. Why not? Alright. Let's see. Yep, lots of reading. Alright. Finally tired enough to have to stop reading. No, don't set an alarm. So, after all this reading, I don't know if we'll get Fab to 10 or anything, I don't know. But after all this reading, I think we're going to go into town a bit with the Humvee. See about getting, well, let's see. I don't need cargo spaces. The box truck. Sorry, no, Cube Van. Cube Van has the cargo spaces I need, so don't need to worry about that too much. Okay, this is still... Okay, so this is still fine. Good. Should probably work on some of this. Oh. That way we don't waste all that raw meat. Let's go to sleep. Looks like Twitch is having some. My bitrate is fine, but Twitch is definitely not performing how it should be. Okay. The hunger is a monger. Okay. What do we got? Fab, piercing, survival, healthcare, social, electronics, social, shotguns, fab, devices, fab, all right, all that can wait a bit. Of course. Why are you destroying my home, sir? Come over here. Alright, arc. Makeshift arc welder. Power converter. Power. A4. Amplifier circuit. Come on. Amp. Power. Arc. Don't I need 2 of these? I need 2 of these, don't I? No, YouTube, I need to end the episode. YouTube, thank you for joining me. I've been Eli Fatigued. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode. It really supports the channel, and I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.